Hello everyone, this is Professional Software, a channel dedicated to helping you level up your programming abilities. Whether you're an aspiring engineer, a student, junior, or mid-level, there should be actionable advice here for everyone. So this channel uses Python for its examples, but the lessons really are language agnostic and can be applied to any programming language. So let's get started. What is professional software? Professional software meets a business need. It does this by being functionally correct, delivered within the timelines and time constraints, and delivered within the budget constraints. There are three major attributes that consistently produce professional software. And those are extensibility, maintainability, and verifiability. Extensibility is the ability of software to change as business requirements change. Software often starts as one thing meeting a specific product need, and then a couple weeks or months later, the product need changes and the software needs to adapt to stay in sync with that product need. So software is always changing. Maintainability is how easy it is to get into software, fix bugs, change the structure, refactor software for the future. Verifiability is how easy it is to ensure that software is functionally correct and producing the correct business value. So in front of us is a function that shows an example of non-professional software. And if you've created a function or seen functions like this, this is a completely logical and normal place for people learning how to program to start. It's very logical. It's step-by-step business requirements. And you see we have a create account function here. The first step is we validate the account name. The second step is we apply some transformations to the data. The third step is we check if this is a test environment. And if it is, we handle it differently than a production environment. We just perform some local operations. The next step is if this is a production environment, we connect to Postgres. We insert the data. And finally, we instantiate and we return a new Python object. And over the course of this channel, we'll cover examples and lessons on how to consistently produce professional software. So the problem with this is this single function, if this was our entire software stack, it's not too hard to work with. It's not too hard to understand. But the problem is if we have tens or hundreds of files, tens of thousands of lines of software created in this way, it quickly becomes brittle and unmaintainable and extremely hard to verify. And the goal of this channel is to give you the skills and the patterns necessary to avoid creating huge software projects structured like this and to create professional software. So I'm super excited to get started, and I really appreciate you listening. Thank you.